Hi guys, welcome to my channel fi.gg. This is Ganesh and today what we're going to be doing is complete overview review of SocialCaptain, how to get more Instagram followers, likes, comments, more leads and setting up a new account. Also guys, I have a link in the description below which will take you directly to the SocialCaptain. You can try it for free for 24 hours and by far this is the easiest way to grow your Instagram audience organically and automatically. Watch till the end. I'm going to show you a live demo on how many followers and likes I'm getting in Instagram. By using the simple method, you will be surprised. Let's dive in. So what is SocialCaptain? Imagine it's your personal assistant for your Instagram account where it can build organic followers. This is not buying likes or followers. It has an organic social media automation that does all the job for you, such as following Instagram users, liking, commenting, unfollowing in order to generate real and organic traffic to your profile. Moreover, it is also engaged with your target audience or your specific niche you want to follow. I'll show you a quick example how to set up a new account and how this works flawlessly. Like you see, I already have a two accounts set up. One is just a trial one and another one is a premium one. I'll show you the difference in a few minutes. Once you sign up for the free trial account, connect your Instagram account to the dashboard. If it asks you to confirm your connection, just confirm it with your Instagram mobile app by pressing the "It was me" button. Once it's all connected, go to the setting page and so you can target your audience. So it can either pick business account or personal account. It personally depends which account you have. So for me, I'm going to choose personal account. First, it's good to set up the action types such as like, comments, follow and unfollow. As always, you can change this anytime. Under automation settings, the action speed, I recommend the fast one, but for the free trial I'm going to use the slow one. And it's good to on the ignore sensitivity post and keep newsfeed clean. Under filter, you can customize even more. I'm going to leave gender filter to any, media agency to any and post type to any. Of course, you can customize this according to your need. And there's a load optimization option. It will suggest recommended settings for your account. But I'm just going to increase the post like to 2000. It's just my own opinion. And the post comment range is fine. User following range is fine. User follows range is also fine. And most important part is to setting up your target, and what it does is it's gonna use this target and convert into the real followers. It's good if you have a clear idea of what's your specific niches. For example, if you're into photography and videography, you can type some colder. For example, what it does is it interacts with the people who follows their account or anyone who engage with their username. And finally, what it does is it converts them into a real followers. It does the same thing with the hashtag and the location as well. You can automate comments as well, but it's good to keep it simple. And don't forget to on the comment option and press the save button. And finally, just press the start activity button. That's it. It will do all the job for you now. You can check the live update on your account dashboard. I'm just going to show you a quick example of the premium account and the live demo of the followers. And you can check the follows evolution and the live action feed anytime. Under settings, you can see I can change the activity speed from slow to fast. And also I can on the ignore low quality user option, which is only available in the premium account. And so as a final note, I can get more deeper in SocialCaptain and talk about this for hours, find a faster and easier way that works. So I'll probably do a live streaming, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Now if you want to get more likes, followers, comments on Instagram and narrow down your specific niche, then try the SocialCaptain Premium, the link in the description guys. And also don't forget, you can try the 24 hours completely free to check how this works. And if you feel anything, you can always cancel even after 24 hours. It's worth a try. But anyway, FI family, thank you so much for watching this. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think and share your experience in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe if you want to. Otherwise guys, I'll see you in the next one. Keep gaming. Peace.